Ever wondered what powers the interactive elements on your favorite websites? The answer is a powerful scripting language known as JavaScript. This high-level interpreted programming language is primarily used for building dynamic and interactive web applications. The story of JavaScript begins in 1995, when Brendan Eich created it under the initial name of LiveScript. However, it soon underwent a rebranding, adopting the name JavaScript, which it proudly carries today. JavaScript's primary function lies in its use as a client-side scripting language in web browsers. It empowers developers to dynamically manipulate the content, structure, and behavior of web pages. From validating forms to creating animations and updating content without reloading the page, JavaScript is the magic behind these interactive features. One of the major advantages of JavaScript is its cross-platform compatibility. All major web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, support JavaScript. Moreover, it runs on various operating systems, making JavaScript a universal language for web development. JavaScript's nature as an interpreted language means that the code is executed line by line by a JavaScript engine in the browser. This approach allows for rapid development and testing as changes can be immediately seen in the browser. Being a high-level language, JavaScript is designed to be easily readable and writable by humans. It abstracts away low-level details, such as memory management, making it more accessible for developers. JavaScript is a multi-paradigm language that supports object-oriented programming concepts. It utilizes prototypal inheritance, where objects inherit properties and behaviors directly from other objects, a departure from traditional class-based inheritance. This scripting language also supports functional programming features. Functions can be treated as first-class citizens, including elements like higher-order functions, closures, and anonymous functions. The standardization of JavaScript is overseen by the ECMA International Organization through the ECMAScript specification. This specification defines the syntax, semantics, and behavior of JavaScript, ensuring consistency across different implementations. The ecosystem of JavaScript is vast and continuously expanding. It boasts libraries, frameworks, and tools that enhance its capabilities and simplify web development. From popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js for building large-scale web applications to libraries like jQuery for DOM manipulation and Ajax, JavaScript's ecosystem is a treasure trove for developers. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript has broken free from the confines of the client-side and ventured into server-side development. Node.js allows developers to write server-side code using JavaScript, enabling full-stack JavaScript development. In conclusion, JavaScript plays a pivotal role in modern web development. It powers the interactivity and functionality of websites and web applications across the internet. Its versatility, ease of use, and extensive ecosystem have cemented its position as one of the most popular programming languages in the world.